I'm Graham at LUXTECH, here to show you how to replace LUXroll in the field. There are two ways to replace LUXroll in the field. One way is by replacing the gear tray. You can do this by simply unwiring LUXroll, removing the gear tray screws, and removing the old gear tray. Next, you can replace it with a new gear tray that has a new piece of LUXroll pre-installed on it. If the gear tray is not removable, you can always remove and replace the LUXroll strip itself. We recommend using a pick or putty knife to lift up the first inch of LUXroll until you have enough free to pull off the entire length. There will likely be some adhesive residue left on the gear tray. Areas with excessive residue can be cleaned by using a rag and solvent such as isopropyl alcohol. Once any excessive residue is removed, you can install a new piece of LUXroll by following the standard installation process. Request a LUXroll sample kit today.